start now. If you're editing your video with CapCut and I've been wondering how can I remove that annoying watermark inside your video, then you're in the right place. And this video is for you. Yes. And I know many of us are having challenges removing it, and I'll be showing you how to do it without downloading any application. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to remove CapCut watermark for free. So let's start. First, go to your CapCut application. Then click on New Project. And pick the video you want to add, the video you want to edit, and click Add. So let me quickly move to the video. So it will not show you my video, like the sound will not come out. So I'll click on video, put off the sound. Are you seeing it? And let's assume you are confused about my channel. Why is my channel like this? You can check out my playlist. Yes. For those that will say I'm confused about the channel, check out my playlist. So for you to remove that no watermark, this is it too. This is how to remove it to this one. No. Note, you have to do this before you edit your video or after editing your video. So you have to do it before editing your video so that you're able to do it well. So click on aspect ratio. And to know the normal regular standard for YouTube is 16:9 ratio. So we'll pick 4:3 ratio and click on the mark icon so it will be highlighted. And it will be in the frame. So you drag it down. Can you see it? Can you see as I'm editing it? Did you see? So you have removed the annoying watermark already. Can you see it? So you can also do it after editing, but it's preferable to do it before editing your video. So depending on you, Sha. The reason why I say do it before editing your video is so I can add every editing you want to put, like maybe test or more, maybe you want to add some video, beside your video. See, you understand? Hey. So like that now we have cropped with scope. We don't need to pay. So the next to do what is to export it. Change the fast exporting. So after exporting, you go to photos. Yes, this is the video. Click on edit and crop it. Crop it very well. Then save it. So that is it. That is how to save. That's how to remove the watermark. So after done saving it, you gotta change your video name because that one is also important. So I've already teach you the trick on how to download video on CapCut without paying for the watermark remover. Share time. So you can remove the video name. And the reason I'm doing it is because so now the next is to change the video names. And now we go change the video name. We go to file, click on video, highlight it. And this is why I'm changing the video name is because when we put the video on YouTube, like when we put final on YouTube, so that it will appear in the search icon. This will recommend your video. That's why I change your video name. So you highlight it, you look for your name, and name to the title of your video. The name to what the video is about, what the video is all about. So that is very simple. So I've already taught you how to remove watermark and how to rename your video. Yes. So that's the simple trick I did. So I hope you found this video helpful. It's simple. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And check out my playlist. I've always check out the playlist. This place I must stream and check them out. So see you in my next video. I am Bolu, guys. Bye bye. Check the playlist too.